Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a budget video, and I'm sorry, I just got to throw it out there. I'm sorry for the lighting. I broke our ring light, and the light in our bedroom is not so good. It's really dark. It's like 9 o'clock here, so please just bear with me until my other ring light comes in. But here I have my budget. My husband works a full-time job, and we have a side hustle, and his paycheck is about $1,100 to $1,500 every 2 weeks. And our side hustle, it just depends how many days a week we work. So I'm going to break it down for you guys a little bit. So here, right here, we have rent, car insurance, car payment, cable, electric, phone bill, gas, and school. By school, I mean tuition. We pay for our children to go to a Catholic school. So over here, I wrote down how much each item is during the month, and then over here I put when it's due. I find it very easy for myself to write it out when each item is due, so that when I get the paycheck or the side hustle money, I'll just go deposit it into our bank account. We have an ATM card. We don't have a debit card, so that's why I don't just keep it in the bank to pay with a debit card. I used to have a debit card, and I got myself in a lot of trouble with it. I would forget when my bills would be due, and I made my bank account negative because I would go spend extra money, and I really had found out that this is the best way to keep track of the money. Down here, I don't know if you guys can see that. Down here, I have my sinking funds, which is my envelopes, which I got these, looks this way, sorry. I got these off of Amazon. They come with the sticker, and you can just write on the sticker what you want. They open up like this. And they're laminated. So for the sinking funds, we're going to stuff my side hustle money, which we got $229. I'm going to be stuffing vacation, car maintenance, savings, our household items, Christmas, birthdays, and college. I'm in college. My husband did a couple semesters of college, so now it's time to repay that. And then, don't know if you can really see the bottom right here. We have everyday envelopes, which we're going to stuff for gasoline. We have one car and groceries. So, let me fix this here. There we go. So you guys can see this better. Sorry guys, this setup is just not working out for me today. And I can see that there is a glare. Okay. So, here is the money. Let's count it. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Oops. Okay. So, I'll be right back and I'll get the envelope started for us. Okay, here is the money. Sorry, there's cops going by. I don't know if you can hear it or not. But, alright, so, let's see if I can get this in the frame too. Alright, so, the way that I have it broke down is vacation's going to get 5, car maintenance is going to get 9, savings is going to get 25, household is going to get 5, Christmas is going to get 5, birthday is going to get 5, college is going to get 20. We have, I think our college debt payment is $20, but a piece, so that's $40 a month, but we always end up paying like $150 to $200 depending on how much the amount we get, obviously. So the payments always fluctuate, and then whatever we have left over out of like gas or groceries, we always do a snowball envelope, which then we'll take the snowball envelope and put it towards our debt, which that will be coming into our next video. So let's get into stuffing. So the first envelope we're going to stuff is our college payment. There's nothing in here. So $20 goes in here. Now, you can make your envelopes to whatever you fit is what you need. Some people don't go on vacation, so they don't have to. Now, however, our vacation fund is not just to, like, go to the beach. It's for when we want to go to the local swimming pool, when we want to take the boys to the zoo, when we just want to go do something all in general that's considered a vacation. Next one is birthdays. Joshua and Jackson's birthday is July 10th. So we gotta get the saving. They're twins, so they share the same birthday. Next one is Christmas. I always want to budget myself about $1,200, and that goes for everybody. John, the boys, my mom, my dad, my sister, my brother. Like, I shop for everybody. $5 to Christmas. Now, there's nothing in these envelopes at all. I'm starting fresh. This is our first paycheck of 2020. So, that's why there's nothing in here. This is for gas. And gas is getting 80. 80. Nothing in here. That's gas. Household is getting 5. Savings. Again, nothing in here. Savings is getting 25. Vacation is getting 5. Oh boy, I did my math wrong. Huh. If you can see where I made a mistake, please let me know. I'm going to have to go through these off camera, but right now there is $84. $80 is for groceries, which I don't have. Wait a minute, let me see here. Right here. This is groceries. Which I forgot to put groceries on here. So let's do that real quick. And car maintenance is just going to get $4 for now until I figure out where I made my mistake. And I just want to put it out here for our monthly bills. I withdraw them. Like, I withdraw the cash, but I just go and pay it. I could make a video on stuffing their envelopes, but I just really don't take time to do it. I just take the money and go straight to pay my bills. I don't really like to carry cash with me. The only envelope that I do end up taking with me when I leave the house is my gas or my groceries, because where we live, it's not the best of the area, and I just don't want to get robbed. So I'll do another video on that. I also have a video coming out on how much change we got, how much change we saved for 2019. So look out for that. I would really appreciate it if you guys could tell me what you want to see in upcoming videos. Also, please like and subscribe and turn the bell notification on. That would help me out so tremendously. So I hope you guys have a splendid day, and I'll see you in the next caching video. Bye, guys.